Hey guys, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel and today's video. So today is super fun. I have a different kind of video. My friend Jillian actually gave me this huge bag of makeup samples. She is so sweet. She always gives me her samples. She collects a bunch of them and she gave me this huge bag, and I'm gonna be doing a mystery makeup sample bag unbagging today. I thought it would be a fun idea for a video. There's a lot of high-end stuff. I see some drugstore stuff in here too, and I am so excited to unbag this. So let me know if you guys like this idea for a video, and she really spoils me. Thank you so much, Jillian, for giving me your samples. So sweet. I actually love makeup samples. I love trying out products. I love testing out samples. It's like one of my favorite things to test out a product before I buy the full size. It gives you just a chance to try it out before you commit and pay full price. So if you guys are curious to find out what's inside the mystery makeup sample bag, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. It's a first link down below in my description box, and let's get into this bag and find out what's inside. I'm just pulling out random samples out of the bag. The first one I see is Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion Sample, one of my favorite eyeshadow primers. Been using this for like years and years, probably like over 10 years. Also in here we have the Buxom Full On Plumping Lip Polish. Ooh, it's a very sparkly shade. This is in the shade Celeste. I really like the Buxom lip plumpers because they give such a nice cooling sensation and it lasts literally all day. It's not like painful or anything or tingly. It's just like very cooling. Got some perfume little samples. This is, oh actually, you know what, these are nice because it has a sprayer on it. They used to have that little vial that you had to turn over and it would spill everywhere. This is the Wild Fox. It's just called Wild Fox? Yeah, I guess it's just called Wild Fox. This is really nice. It's a deluxe sample of the Kate Spade Walk on Air perfume. This is super cute. A little bow on it, adorable packaging. Also a little MAC strobe cream sample. This is in Pink Light. I'm definitely going to be using this. Let me do a little swatch so I can see what it looks like. Be nice for like mixing into a foundation in the summertime. If you want to have like a little bit more of a glow to your skin, especially if you have dry skin, this is a really cute sample. Next one in here is the Redken 25 Benefits Multi-Benefit Treatment for all hair textures, and you can spray it in after you shampoo. So this is really fun. I love testing out different hair samples to see if they actually make a difference and make my hair feel softer. I've never heard of this brand. It's a Jafra Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Kiss and Tell. I have never heard of this brand. Let's say where it's from. Jafra Cosmetics based in California. Ooh, it's a very bright color. Holy moly, this is like orange bright. Wow. Okay, so that's pretty funky. Hopefully like a summer color. And then, ooh, we have the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Liquid in Opal. Never tried, or have I tried this one before? I think I may have had a sample of this in the past from one of the little Becca sets at Ulta. But this is really nice. Put this on and then you put the Becca pressed powder on top of it. It looks really pretty. Another brand I never heard of before, the N4 High Performance Hair Care Sugar Texturizing Spray. That sounds really interesting. Anything with sugar, I'm into. Okay, but it does not smell like sugar at all. So that's kind of a letdown. It just smells like plain. I don't know. I don't know what this is supposed to do. Lightly spray onto damper dry hair, air dry or blow dry with diffuser. I guess it's just supposed to give your hair some texture. Next we have the Perricone MD Face Finishing Moisturizer. It says you can apply it morning and night. I've actually never tried anything from Perricone MD, so I'm pretty excited about this. I always see this brand at Sephora. Then there is a Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector. This is their blurring skin tint with sunscreen in shade 06. Is this like a BB cream? Okay, so I don't know if this color is going to match me. I could probably get away with this when I'm a little more tan in the summer, but I guess it's supposed to be more of like a lightweight kind of BB CC cream kind of deal. She also included the Bumble Mumble Thickening Spray. I cannot remember the last time I tried a Bumble Mumble hair product. It's been a while, so I'm excited to test this out. It says it's a pre-styler, so you can put this onto damp hair and then blow dry it to get like a little bit of a lift at the roots. I've been very into that recently. There's also the Peter Thomas Roth Firm X Peeling Gel. So this is supposed to get rid of dead skin after you massage it into your skin. So this is interesting. I love like products that you can actually see instant results with, and this sounds like you'll kind of get that instant peeling effect, but more in like, not in like a scary way. It's probably like comes off in little linty type of lints. I don't even know how to describe it. Like you know, when the dead skin kind of rolls off your face. Some drugstore goodies in here as well. This is the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Balm. This is their antioxidant super moisturizer. Definitely excited to test this out. I've been looking for really good drugstore skincare. We also have the CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte in Currant Nude. I definitely have this color because I have all these shades, so I'll probably include this in a future giveaway. Really gorgeous nude shade, right up my alley. It's like the perfect pinky nude shade. Okay, this is cool. She included a Lime Crime Velveteen Liquid Matte Lipstick. Shade Sasha. This looks like the perfect shade that I would totally wear, so I just want to open it up and take a little look-see. Never tried their Velvet formula before or their liquid lipsticks. I've only tried their unicorn lipsticks and I love those. I know some people have like mixed reviews on Lime Crime. I've only bought products from them at like beauty trade shows before. So the packaging is super cute. It has like roses on it. This is so nice. It really have a scent to it. This is one of those colors that I feel like is going to dry down a bit darker than it looks in the tube. That usually happens with liquid lipsticks. So the Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper in Barely There. I've been wanting to try this brand too. I have a couple sample sizes of their mascara items, but I love trying out plumping lip products. So I'm going to see how this is. It says it has an instant plump and long-term benefits for more like plumpness to your lips. The samples are so nice. She also included a NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. This is like my favorite jumbo eye pencil. I'm really surprised this is in here. I love this product. It's very multi-purpose. It makes shadows stand out. You can use it on your waterline, your inner corner. Also a little sample of the No. 7 Restore and Renew Face and Neck Multi-Action Serum. Also have the Tarte's Lash Paint. This is a nice sample. I had a sample of this before and it was really small, so this is basically a deluxe sample, so super nice. Also in here is the Elizabeth Arden White Tea Spray. I've never heard of this before. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at this bottle. This is super fancy for a sample. This is such a nice sample. It's the Pixie Rose Caviar Essence. I have the full size of this. I got it in a Pixie PR package. So I'll probably put this one in like a giveaway pile as well. This is really good. It has like actual little rose bits inside the formula. It also has rose flower oil, anise extract, and mulberry extract. I really like this product. It's a very good serum if you're like layering products at nighttime. It's good to like put underneath a moisturizer. So this actually has like little bits of rose encapsulated inside the serum. It's really cool. It feels really nice on the skin, and it does have that light bit of rose scent too, but it's not annoying. I'm so excited about this one. It's the Too Faced Sweet Peach Creamy Peach Oil Lip Gloss. This is in Pure Peach. I have this in like a nude shade when the collection first came out, and I really like it, so I'm so excited that this was in here. And it's the same packaging except in like a little small tube. How cute. It has a little peach on top, and this is more of like a peachy pink color. I love the smell of these. I'm definitely going to be using this. So nice. I love that they made a sample size of these. They have peach oil, coconut oil, and vitamin E. Little like postcard samples in here. The first is the Yves Saint Laurent YSL 8 Hours of Beauty Sleep in a Click. Oh, this is the Touche Eclat. So weird saying that in like a little sample form. Always wanted to try this out, so I will definitely be testing out the light shades. And then there's the Wella Perfect Me Beauty Balm. I guess this is a hair lotion. And then this is the Amore Pacific. Oh, it's like a double cleansing type of deal. The Cover FX Natural Finish Foundation samples in 20, 40, and 100. We have, oh, this one's nice. I wanted to try these. I was swatching them at Sephora. The Hourglass Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick, and they give you Champagne Flash and Pink Flash. That's so interesting that they were able to put the stick into a sample form. Then we have the Giorgio Armani Excess Shine and Care Lip Color samples. They're like little circle samples. ISL Tint in Balm. Comes with a little brush. This looks like a really pretty color. Also a sample of the Urban Decay Glide On Pencil in Perversion. Oh my gosh, I used to use this all the time. I'm just gonna open it up. It's like a really nice, oh wow, it's pretty big. This used to be my favorite waterline pencil. We have the NARS Velvet Matte Foundation Stick samples right here. They're in like these little circle guys. The Estee Lauder Shock and Awe Pure Color Love lipstick sample. What else we got in here? Oh yes, I just went through a pack of this. The Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This is really nice. I kept it in the shower. First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream for dry skin. There's a Guerlain La Petite, I don't even know what that says. Robe Knowing? I don't know. But they give you like a pink shade and a red shade. So excited about this one. It's the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask sample. Oh, this is so cool. They give you 3 different samples and they're shaped like little lipsticks. That's adorable. I've heard so many people rave about the agave lip mask, so I'm excited to test out this sample. A little sample of the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. This one I like because it comes in a tube instead of like a little packet. It's just so much easier to use. Okay, we've reached the end of the bag. Last item. This one is so nice. This is the Ofra palette, so it's actually like a little magnetic palette. This is so cool. So it's like this, and then inside we have a blush, and it looks like my kind of shade right here. It's like a peachy tone with golden shimmer. So pretty. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. It looks a lot like NARS Orgasm, and the formula is really nice and buttery too. So this is so nice, and I'm gonna put other stuff in here as well, like other loose magnetic things that I have, like shadows and other blushes that I can depot. We also have the Freeman Charcoal and Black Sugar Polishing Mask. This is a mask and a scrub in one. I really like Freeman masks because they're great for the skin and they're also very affordable. You can get these at Sephora. So I am definitely going to be testing this out. Okay, so that is it for my mystery makeup sample bag unbagging. This was so much fun to film, and thank you so much to Jillian for giving me all these amazing goodies. I feel so spoiled with all of these, and I'm definitely going to be testing all of these out, letting you guys know what I think. But there was so much stuff in there, oh my gosh. If you guys like this video, let me know. It was definitely something different and fun. Thank you guys as always for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!